You guys know I love to thrift, but no one really talks about the other side of that. Like, where do you put everything after? So if you're someone who doesn't have a ton of space or just has a pretty normal size wardrobe, this video is for you. Because today, I'm sharing how I organize everything in a small closet, how I fold, how I store, and how I make the most out of limited space. So let's get into it. Hi guys, I'm Lori and welcome back to the Sharos. After decluttering my entire closet in the past two videos, it's finally time for my favorite part, organizing everything. Before I started doing content, I worked as a visual merchandiser, so I used to handle all the display in the store. So organizing, holding, making the most out of small spaces is something that I've been doing for years. And over time, I really figured out a system that works for me, especially with a small closet. So in this video, I'll be walking you through my step-by-step process. From decluttering, how to plan your space, how I fold everything so it stays neat and easy to maintain. Step 1. Declutter first. Before anything else, you really have to declutter. This is where you'll create two piles, what you're keeping and what you're letting go of. For me, the most effective way to do this is you really have to try everything on one by one. I know it takes more time, but it really helps you to decide if something still fits well or suits your body, and if it's something you realistically see yourself wearing. I already did this in my previous two videos, so if you haven't seen those yet, I will link them below. Step 2. Assess your space. Next is really understanding your space and how to maximize it. Measure your closet, take note of what kind of storage you have and what you can add, like drawers, bins, or organizers that can actually fit your space. For example, my husband and I only share one closet, and on my side, I only have hanging space, which wasn't enough. So what I did was measure the width, find plastic drawers that actually fit perfect inside. And honestly, it made such big difference in maximizing the space. Since our closet space is very limited, we also made use of our bed with built-in drawers from IKEA. It's not sponsored, it just works really well for small spaces. Step 3. Prioritize what you hang. If your hanging space is limited, you really have to be intentional with what you hang. For me, I prioritize pieces that crease easily, like dresses, jackets, and blouses. These are pieces that just looks better when they're hung. I also like to organize everything by category and then by color. So all of my outerwear together, all of my dresses together, and so on. And one small detail that really makes a huge difference is by using the same type of hanger, preferably a thin one so it can fit more. It instantly makes your closet look more clean and put together. Step 4. Fold and store vertically. For everything else, I fold and store them vertically. This makes it so much easier to see everything in a glance, and it keeps things from getting messy when you take something out. So here's how I fold some basics. For underwear, fold both sides in, roll it, and tuck the ends so it stays in place. For socks, fold them twice and tuck to keep them compact. For shirts, fold both sides in, then adjust the folds depending on your drawer height. Tank tops, tuck the straps in, then fold it into quarters. Shorts, fold in half, tuck the middle, then fold again. Skirts, fold in half, then fold it again. And for pants, fold in half, tuck the middle, then fold based on your drawer height. If you don't have enough items to fill a full drawer, I like to use bins. This separates each category and makes it more organized. And that's how I organize my entire closet even with limited space. I feel like having a system like this makes everything so much easier to maintain. You can see what you have, you can actually wear more of your clothes, and your closet just feels a lot more manageable overall. If this video helped you or gave you ideas for your own space, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear how you organize your closet too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss out our next videos. Thank you so much for watching and see you on our next one.